Well, hello class. Today's turtle tips using modal verbs to make an appointment. It's polite to use these modal verbs to make appointments. Could I see the doctor at 4 o'clock on Friday? Would it be possible to come in on Thursday for my appointment? May I make an appointment to see the doctor? Those are all very polite words to use. So let's take a look. Did you know it's polite to use words like may to make an appointment? May I make an appointment to see the doctor? May is a great word to use when making an appointment. What verbs do you use when making an appointment? Now it's your turn. Will you write them in sentences in the comments? And with that, we'll say class dismissed.